Hello, my name is Eric Harma. I'm president at Methods and Equipment, a machine tool distributor in Livonia, Michigan. We represent the entire state of Michigan for Tsugami. We're excited that Tsugami America has a facility in Indiana. It's within driving distance for many of our customers. They can get here within an hour, maybe two. They can see 4 machines on the floor right now, possibly more. We can also have turnkeys. We can run demo parts for them to see their application and actual part run.
Medical industry here in Fort Wayne, this is ground zero for medical in the country and perhaps the world. There's a lot of research and development that gets done here that we need to be a part of, and that's why Tsugami America has to have a presence. So to us, it's really important for our future, looking out over the next 20 years, this will cement that for us. The medical community requires us to have staff when it comes to service and support and applications. So we're the first line of defense. If a customer has an issue, they call us. We go in, we support it, service it, and on the application side, we also will support any type of turnkey that we do for the customer, but it allows us to really get ourselves in with the customer in a deep-rooted way that allows us to build a relationship long-term because we're there all the time.
I think with the addition of the Tsugami America Tech Center here, it allows us to leverage their support, their knowledge, the advancements that they can present to our customer. Currently as a distributor, we handle multiple lines, so the direct support out of Tsugami really is going to help advance the customers beyond the basic knowledge that they currently are experiencing. So with the showroom, they can come in, they can get hands on the machines, we can take a look at parts, we can cut parts for them, we can just really help them understand the platform prior to buying. If we have a customer interested in seeing machines, we're open 5 days a week. There's usually somebody here. The best way is to reach out to your local rep. Then you can schedule time in. We can make sure we have the proper applications guys here, regional support. But yeah, just reaching out directly is a great way to make sure that we have the right resources here to answer any of the questions.
You know, what I love about having the Fort Wayne facility here, for our 3-state area, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, it's very central. And you know what we're seeing for the past couple of years, and we see every shop that we go into, people are resource constrained. They're starting to lean a lot more on their machine builders, their distributors for support. You know, whether they're transitioning from an old process to a new one, they want to see that firsthand. So having a beautiful showroom like this with the commitment to having machines on the floor and engineering resources here, it's an invaluable resource to be able to hop in a car and at most have a 2-hour drive. You know, we're seeing more and more need for companies to lean on their distribution partners and to do exactly that, partner with their distributors and their machine builders. So you know, having the opportunity to sell more than just a machine itself and leave it and walk away and kind of leave the customer to depend on themselves for getting it operational and succeeding, becoming increasingly more difficult. So what this facility allows us to do is to bring the customer here, set the parts up, kind of work through a process with them, get their whole team involved, ownership, engineering team, what have you, and we can work through all the problems and kind of iron that all out before we ship it to you, so when it hits your floor, it is a whole heck of a lot more successful.
We consider it a very strong partnership and something that's very important for the future because the products that we're developing with Tsugami America are specifically designed for them. So our quick change tooling is adding value so the customers can do quick changeovers that was designed specifically with Tsugami. And then our green product line with our mist collectors were designed in unison with our partner Tsugami America because we added various features like fire dampeners, inverters that would control the amount of airflow in and out. And we're bringing them technology specific for their machine tools for their customers.
The relationship with KES and Tsugami America, like I said, it's been about 10 years. They've helped us grow as a company, and we are helping them with optimizing the precision of the machines so they know that the end user is going to get the most accurate machine. We've been traveling around the country for them. We do work out of their warehouse and doing make ready of making the machines, getting them set, and we do the calibration certification and know before the machine ships that it is accurate. The benefit, again, the salesmen love the reports they get. They're helping us grow as a company with the amount of work we're getting, and it's just all around just a great company to be a partner with.
Hi, my name is Jared Roberts. I'm with Heuk America. So what Heuk does is we are a chucking provider, a work holding provider. We specialize in quick change work holding for turning centers as well as for stationary equipment. We offer a wide range of product from quick change to your everyday chuck. We've been building a very great relationship with Tsugami America. We've partnered with them on a couple of projects so far and it's all turned out very well. We're happy to be a part of this team. We're happy to be here at the open house today, and we're excited for what the future holds in the partnership with these two companies.
Hi, I'm Chris Delwich. I'm with Hexagon, and I'm here today representing the Esprit line. At Esprit, we're industry leaders in Swiss machining and multi-axis solutions. So at Hexagon, we have a wide array of products. So we have CMM equipment, vision systems, metrology, and CAM software. So I specialize in the Esprit product line. I've been with Esprit for about 8 years now, 7 of which I was on the application side, and I've been in sales for about a year now. Tsugami is one of our strongest partnerships. So we've been working with Tsugami hand in hand for years. Really proud of what we've been able to develop with them. We've staffed engineers on site with them where they've been able to feed us machine models where we build 3D kinematic models for collision detection. They also give us sample programs and machine manuals so that we can develop a full solution in-house that we publish globally to our customers. So by the time they get their hands on it, it's completely turnkey.
Partnered up with Tsugami, and they chose us to be one of the premier partners, which is a very good honor, and we like that. The Edge has been one of the focal points with both the Edge and FMV product lines, so we can do very well with plug and play going up to Tsugami. It's one of our bread and butters installations that we've done in the past, and we do very well with any of their products.
My name's Stephen Wirt. I am an applications engineer for Tsugami America. I've run Tsugami machines for about 6 years now. I've been with Tsugami for about 6 months. We just opened up the new facility in Fort Wayne, which is great. Beautiful facility. We've got a great amount of machines, good guys here. One of the best things about Tsugami machines are the support that comes with them. That's one thing Tsugami definitely wants to hit on is, you know, if there's a problem in the field or even general questions, we're there at a moment's notice to fix them, get them back up and running, because we all know if the spindle's not running, we're not making money.
If you're a customer in Michigan and you'd like to come down to this location, please give us a call, contact us at methods-equipment.com. We're glad to show you this lovely facility.